All right, back for some more stocks. It is January 26th, Tuesday. Let's take a look at some of these small caps. Start off with Rave. See what this is doing. Rave. All right, Rave Restaurant Group. 19 plus million market cap, income minus 4 million plus, sales 9 million, 12 million float. No news recently. Founded in 1958, based in Colony, Texas. Together with subsidiaries, it operates franchise pizza buffet, delivery, carry-out, and express restaurants under Pizza Inn trademark, United States and internationally. On the street in here, it has 42 franchise pie, 5 units, 176 franchise Pizza Inn restaurants, 13 licensed Pizza Inn Express pie and kiosks. So they, pretty big. Even in a market cap's only 19 million. Not market cap wise, that's for sure. So we go back to 1993. This was 4. Got the 6, went all the way back down. The 2 over, what is that? 14 years, didn't do nothing. Then this went up, spiked again. Then this went up to 16 in 2015. Your front side, and there's your back side. This collapsed. I don't see any splits. Amazing, this did no splits. Unless I'm missing it here. The weekly went all the way down to 16, down. See, down we go. All right, on the daily, you can see a big wedge here. See this? From here and back in 2019, squeeze. You had a low here, September, October of about 39 cents. You had a big spike in October. Look at this volume. It went all the way up to the 2 line, fell all the way back. Down support at 75 to 1. Now, this 1 is key in penny stock land. Remember that. You want this to hold here. Maybe it'll bounce again. And when we go up to, anywhere from 125 to 2 is the next level. Take this out. Now, you see the wedge. And you can bring this over. This is your 1 line. See, back and forth. And this is a bottom. And it looks like, that tried to go up here. So the low is getting higher. What's the low here again? About 38 cents. I will put a line right here at 50 cents. Because it did go below that, but that's a good support of 50. So again, this needs a hold here, else you're going to 75, maybe lower. So key area, and we'll see if this breaks up. Could be interesting in that one. CLSD, Clearside Biomedical, 182 million market cap, minus 14 million income, sales 9 million, float 32 million. Let me see here. Any news? Let's see. Nothing recently, really. It is founded 2011, headquartered in Alpharetta, Georgia. Biopharmaceutical company develops and delivers treatment that restore, preserve vision for people with serious eye injuries, or eye diseases, not injuries. Let's look back here. So 2016, we had the 8 line, shot up to 24, came back to this 8 line over the next year plus, got to 12, then we bottomed. On the weekly, you can see that big move. We tried to bounce in 2018, then we fell apart. Then we gapped down all the way to the 1 line. The key 1 line there. Look at this. Big gap. There's the 1 line. We go up to 4. See this touch? So you have basically now 1 touch, 2 touch now. I'm not sure if this will break through now then. Sometimes it's a 3rd touch. This could be a test. And if this comes back, watch for this 2 line in between 2. Could even fall to 1. So we'll watch here. If this gets above 4, we're into the gap right now. It's sort of fading back and forth from this. It hasn't broken through fully. So we'll see if this might even do this. A bounce here and then bounce right up. That's possible. But ultimately, I think we can get the 6 on this, no problem. You're basing here. It just depends when this is going to go up. It's made a good run. See this from here to here. So, we'll watch for a pullback and see if it makes another run or it bounces. Life. Healthcare, to our pharma. Presents findings further validating NRP2 as potential regulator of solid tumor progression. That was the 25th. Then it said research approach identifying receptor targets for extracellular tRNA synthesis. It's founded in 2005, headquartered in San Diego, California. Biotechnology company engages discovery, development of medicines based on novel immunological pathways in the United States. Collaboration with University of Nebraska Medical Center. Collaboration with CSR Behring, development product candidates derived from tRNA synthesis. Collaboration with Boston Children's Hospital, and their license agreement with Chiron Pharmaceutical. And also has looks like developing something with Japan. Collaboration with Medical University of South Carolina. So they're in a lot of collaborations. It's always good. All right, the monthly on this. This went up to 380, but it wasn't a split. This came dropping down 2016. 17, a little bit of bounce. You see in the weekly here. See this 90 line? This came dropping from that in 2018. So we've been flat. Look at this, back and forth. Flat since 2018. Went from about 18. Excuse me. Sneezing on a video. So this went from 18 all the way down to, it looks like 4. What's this line here? Maybe 2. See this? Lower, lower. Sort of looks flat here. Like the move might be done lower, but can't be too sure. Now you see on this line here, 225 line. This bounced all the way to 5. Came back recently to 3. And now we're at this 4 line. It tried to break through big time at the 7, but got rejected. So we want to get above 455 and get back into this like 7 area. You want here, see this low getting higher. If anything, this 350's got to hold. Maybe you can go back to 3 and hold and then bounce up. So you can see this back and forth. We're trying to get higher, but if you look on this too, the high has been getting lower ever since. But you draw a line here, and it looks like maybe it might be done. You see that? So we'll see if news comes up on this and something happens with this stock. All right, last one, JFU. I think I talked about this one before. This is JFU Technology, 254 million market cap, income minus 557 million, sales 468 million, float 128 million, bigger float. Let's see, what do they do exactly? They're headquartered, founded 2006, Beijing, People's Republic of China. Digital finance platform, personalizes finances, digital financial accounts, lending, wealth management, loans. And this has been in a downtrend. Let's start with 2019. Yeah, this was 14. Look at this drop. This is let's go to the monthly. See this ever since there? It's been down. Now we're basing sideways. The weekly, you have high, there's low, back and forth, back and forth. See this 20 and 13 EMA trying to rat now? It's doing this. Eventually, it's going to probably make it move up. We've seen this move before. From 950, look at that drop, all the way to basically the $1 zone. Big volume here back in October. Tried to break 175, reject it. Came back to close to this one. Tried again. November, reject it. Came back to this one line. See the lows getting higher slightly. We can't break this 175 now. So the key here is to break 175. Then once you do that, let's see here. Well, there's nothing really here. I mean, this is a big wash down. So I would look for this 2 plus, 225 plus. Maybe this 250 line. And in this, you want this 130 to 110 hold. So is this low? Keeps coming up and holds. See here, holds, gets higher. That's fine. It's just going back along till we break out. And I think we will break out. On the base, you can see this. And then eventually we'll go up. So even FinViz has multiple bottoms. It's a matter of news or something popping this. So that is it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button. Smash the like button. Subscribe. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Check it out. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. Trade Ideas Scanner if you want to check that out in my link on Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. All right, enjoyed the videos. Look at my other videos. I've been on calling a lot of stocks, these penny stocks. Really dove into it, trying to like analyze how they move, and the way they're moving right now. A lot of them are basing, and they're coming up. They're coming up from like a few years back. Like see this high to low move, and they're really starting to ramp up, maybe with the market. All right, that's it. Take care.